And of course, it didn't go to plan.
That was very frustrating.
Just woke up. I said, let's film. Let's film a little intro. We got the goods. Today is a big day, Andrew, and do you want to tell the folks why?
Yeah, huge day. We're gonna try to do the shower and all of the plumbing today. Which, when I say it like that, it doesn't sound like a lot.
Green light, yeah.
You know, it's definitely a lot.
Oh yeah, it's not even too hot.
Nice. That's how you serve a coffee. It's warm, but you can drink it right when you get it.
So we're headed to Lowe's. I know in my previous video I said we're big fans of Home Depot. Lowe's has better plumbing stuff, surprisingly. At least the one near us. All right.
Yep. So we'll see how that goes.
Where we left off, we have our PEX tubing coming out. The sink is gonna be in this vicinity, and then we're gonna have to do more connections for it to reach the shower. Since we don't have the sink plumbing here or any of the connections, I think I'm just going to do this T here, and so the line will still go to the shower. And if we need to bring the line out here when we get the sink, we can always do that, because this, we could have it coming up here and then make those connections later. Another PSA, not that I gave a first PSA. As you may see, we only have a blue line. And some of you may be wondering, no way are these folks just gonna take cold showers. I hate to break it to you, but we decided not to get a water heater.
Oh, why we're not doing?
No.
Yeah, we're just doing cold water because one, didn't want to pay for a hot water heater. Two, didn't want to deal with the hot and cold lines, and then also like running the hot water heater. It's more electricity. And three, well, you gotta have three reasons. So there it is.
Third one, I kind of said earlier, we're just used to it because we showered like just a bucket of cold water in Hawaii.
Yeah, literally.
That it's not even always going to be cold water, because it's going to be whatever the temperature is in the van.
Yeah, like if it's hot out, like cool, I'm taking a hot shower.
Yeah. So that's our reasoning behind this.
Yeah.
Thank you, Andrew. It's about 3 hours later since I last filmed, and you would have seen me starting on the shower plumbing. And of course, it didn't go to plan. I'll show you. Right now, I'm doing another project now. Completely forgot to update you. The mixer that was going to be placed here, I had a piece of wood connecting these two, like the block behind it to give it support, sticking out too far into like the shower, the mixer. So now we're gonna have to bring out our framing a little bit more so it can house the shower mixer. Simple little project, of course. Didn't go to plan. But now I'm over here painting these little lips that you would see video before this. Brain is mush, but that's just how it goes. I have to get used to that. Like, you think something's gonna go to plan, and you have this idea of what project you're gonna be working on, and then it just all changes. I mean, I know everyone tells you this, but you really have to be thinking about every measurement, like plan things so far ahead. You're getting the mixer, you gotta know that mixer size before you even plan out the framing of the shower, type of thing. Maybe that is common knowledge. Sometimes you're just not thinking about those things. So yeah, just gotta get used to things not going to plan and just flowing with whatever gets thrown your way. Definitely gonna finish that tomorrow though. We're gonna get that done. For now, we're just calmly painting. Back to painting. This is my favorite job. I'm secured. Bought these things to hold up our PEX plumbing. Measuring up the shower stuff.
It's gonna be so easy.
Oh, this is part of the solution of what I was talking about yesterday, how we needed to bring back our framing in order for the mixer to fit properly so it wasn't going too far into the shower. And then we're gonna add a few more so it's like an even
they're all going to be
size.
1x2 pieces sticking out.
Yeah.
So that the wall's flat.
Like right about here. For our connections, we've been putting these on. All right. Had to make these connections super small to get this to fit.
Oh, that was very frustrating, but it's up now. Those three are gonna like definitely be able to hold it in place. I'm gonna add another one that goes around the long sides so that if, you know, we accelerate really fast, you know, vroom vroom, or if we, you know, have to abruptly stop, it's not gonna slide forward. Because right now, I don't know if these would really stop it from sliding forward. But there are certain pieces of the frame that would stop it from sliding forward or backwards. So, because it's pretty much the exact length between two horizontal frames. So we'll see if I decide to put those in. Because now that I'm talking it out, I'm probably not gonna do it because it'd be a huge pain in the ass. But yeah, we're looking pretty good. Did a lot today. The shower wall, tracing the side of the shower is such a pain, but we got there, so it's all that matters. Cheers.
It is us. Many hours later. If you're wondering.
Did we get it done? Yeah, we pretty much did.
Yeah.
Amazon just didn't drop off this piece we needed for the shower, which was really annoying, but other than that, we
did everything
did it.
we said we were going to. Oh, it feels good. Tired. It's 7 o'clock and this is a late dinner for us, but we're on our way to grab some food and then stop by Lowe's again to grab a few more bits.
Yep, so we can finish some stuff tomorrow, and then the week starts again on Monday, and that's our last week at our apartment.
Yes. I don't know how these next videos are gonna be, or how they're gonna come out, or if I can do it on time. I think I can, but just just know that that's a factor that we're moving.
Yep. We got it though.
And there she is. Almost finished. Gotta get the door and then just finish up some little minor things in there. Also threw in this mini little closet that will house our yoga mats and surfboards. We got a little broom back there. Moving out. Today's our final day in our apartment complex.
Yep.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah.
Long days.
Really long days.
I gotta have
Oh, sorry. That's what happens when I'm not looking at the camera.
Yeah, we got much to say. We're pretty much moved out.
Yep.
Most of our stuff's in the van. We downsized to most of our stuff being in the van, so
Oh, wait.
partial mission accomplished.
We also did these little accent things here. Looking cute.
I don't know why I went to look at the shot, but then like I'm gonna be in the shot. Yep. So there it is. Moving out, which means we're that much closer to being done. There's the camera. I was looking at myself.
Look, now I have a...
Yeah, it's tough. Wow.
It is.
Brutal. But yeah, we're just you'll see.
Until next time, where we won't be in this apartment complex, and we'll see how we go about finishing the build.
Yep. Because after we get to where we're gonna be for a couple weeks, we drop our van off to get the countertops and cabinets for like 2 to 3 weeks.
Yeah, we found somebody.
And then after we get those done, we should be off.
Yay! See you guys when we see you.
Yep. We'll
Love
see
you.
you
Bye.
soon.
Like and subscribe. Oh. Yeah. Maybe that's it. I don't know.